This winding path knows what I've lost, but her tone, soft as drifting snow, guides my steps where I should go.
The screen door hums a gentle tune. I breathe his name beneath the moon, each syllable like candlelight. In his voice my world feels right.
Still the sound of you remains like summer thunder over plains. It wraps my heart in silver blue, no matter the storm.